Hi, my name is Naoyo Kumoji and you're welcome to Cook Accra on my YouTube channel. And today we're going to be looking at how to prepare yam. Yam is one of the popular staple foods in West Africa. We use it in different ways. We use it to cook in poto poto. We fry it, we add it as a side to contomere stew. We have it with garden eggs. It's very, very popular. It's very easy to make. And I'm going to show you, especially if you are new to Ghanaian cuisine, this is for you. We're going to be looking at the different ways of preparing yam. So I'm going to be teaching you how to peel it, how to slice it, the different ways with which we prepare it. So here we go. Puna yam is one of the varieties of yam that we have in Ghana. There are many varieties. I can count about 6 varieties, but the Puna yam is the most popular and most loved. And to identify if it's Puna yam, you can just look at how hairy it is. You have a lot of roots on it. So we are using a paring knife to peel and then the chef's knife to cut. And what you want to do is cut off a bit of the tip, okay? We don't need this. Most of the time, this is quite bitter, so we don't need it. So depending on the quantity that you want, you can cut off that size. And like I said, we're using a paring knife to peel. So the paring knife ensures that you don't cut too much flesh away from the yam and you're sticking close to the body of the yam so you don't waste the actual yam itself. So you just check the bottom and just peel off the little bits and there you have it. So whenever we want to boil yam, we usually cut our yam into a circular shape. So almost about an inch or less than an inch thick. So there you have it, or you can have it also halved if that's what you want. I actually like this. I actually prefer this because it makes it easier to eat the yam and you can manage your portions. So always wash your yam. You can wash it in a bit of salt water as well. So next, we're going to be doing our yam fries. So anytime you feel like frying your yam, how are you going to go about it? So we peel the yam the same process as our boiled yam. And yam fries, it's all about what you want to do. Whether you want fat fries or shoelace stringed yam fries. So whether it's you want skinny fries, like I'm saying, or fat fries. So however you want it to be, it's totally up to you. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to halve this. So we have this, right? And we keep dividing it up. So that gives you your fries. So there you have it. Beautiful. So wash that as well. It's very beautiful. You can decide to make very little bites. So you can decide to halve this again. Right? So that will give you another portion size of your yam. So you can have that. So these are the different forms of yam slices and shapes that you can have. So whether you want to have boiled yam, this is the shape that you go for, or you can have a fuller circle if you want. And if you're having yam fries, you can chop it up into the French fry or the popular French fry shape that you have here. And you want to watch your carbohydrate intake, so make sure that you're watching the portions of yam that you're consuming a day. And you can have your boiled yam with palaba sauce, with garden egg stew, anything that you really want to explore. You can even have a palm nut soup, right? If you have the thick palm nut soup, you know what I'm saying, like the very thick one. Yeah, it goes amazingly well with that as well. Your yam fries, you can have it with chicken wings, you can have it with grilled chicken breast, But in Ghana, it's very popular to have yam fries with domedo, which is grilled pork, and with grilled chicken wings as well. It's amazing with that, with a bit of pepper on the side. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Naoyo Kumoji. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.